Hi, I'm Mick from Power Property Maintenance Queensland. I know attending to some of those minor repairs and maintenance matters can at times be frustrating, especially so if they're urgent. So, whether it be commercial, residential or rental properties, I can help. I know there's a large number of service providers already out there. What I deliver is a better experience. I'm reliable, punctual, clean and tidy, and a tradesman with over 24 years experience. I'd love to be able to help. Please give me a call. Thank you.